Welcome to the Smart Lab. All of your exams for this semester will be held here. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know for exam day. Before you arrive to the Smart Lab, check your computer assignment in the email reminder you received or by logging into the reservation system. When you arrive outside the Smart Lab, look for a sign matching your assigned computer number. If you don't remember your assigned number, it was sent to your email before the exam period. Please form a line behind the signs and students will be let in one section at a time. Once we begin admitting students into the exam area, there are two checkpoints. The first checkpoint is where you will hand in your test reservation and blue or green book. If you don't have a blue or green book, you can leave to get one and return to take the test during the same reservation. Get your blue books ahead of time. The vending machine in the library often runs out of blue books during test week and has problems. Be mindful that you will not be given any extra time to complete the test. Before getting to the second checkpoint, you cannot bring a backpack, purse, laptop, earphones, drinks, or food into the testing area. So if you arrive with any of these, then you will need to deposit them along a wall in the Smart Lab where their security cannot be guaranteed. You will be allowed to carry in a closed, clear, 1 gallon or smaller plastic bag which must be placed under the desk and be out of reach. Any electronic in the plastic bag must be turned off. Make sure to power off your cell phone and put it away in your backpack or purse, along with any other electronics. If you don't have a backpack, cell phones must be kept out of sight in a pocket or on the floor face down. If you are caught looking at a cell phone, if it vibrates or if it lights up, you will receive a 0 for your exam score, so ensure that it is powered off. At the second checkpoint, you must present the following materials: a USF or US government-issued ID, a TI 30XA calculator without the cover, and a writing instrument. If you do not have a calculator, you can borrow one from the circulation desk on the first floor. If you choose not to use a calculator, you will be given a red cup. Keep in mind that calculators cannot be shared during the exam. Next, you will proceed to your assigned computer. If you forget what seat you were assigned, find a TA with a clipboard and they will help you. To take the test, first make sure to place your student ID on top of the computer tower. Wait until your reservation time starts before logging in. Before logging into your computer, complete the following items on the front of the blue or green book: your name, your USF Net ID, your course and instructor, and the date and time of the test. Log into the computer and then to your course on your assignment software. Go to the assignment list. Double check that you are starting the correct test. The test time appears on the program as you progress. It is set for 75 minutes. Again, if you arrive late, you will not receive additional time. Do not click Submit when taking the test until you are finished. You can navigate to the previous or next question as needed, but make sure you only click Submit when you are satisfied with all of your answers. After submission, you will immediately know what your score is. For most courses, you can attempt the test twice. As soon as you complete the first attempt and revise your grade, decide if you want to make a second attempt and make your reservation. Then, log off the computer. A few things to keep in mind when taking the exam. If you need to take a restroom break, raise your hand and someone will escort you. No additional time will be given. If you arrive late, you will be given no extra time to complete the exam. All students must submit their exam 90 minutes after the reserved exam time. When you are finished, there will be a table near the exit where you will sign a roster and turn in your blue or green book. Then you can pick up your backpack or purse or any other personal items near the wall and exit the testing area the same way you came in. Students requiring accommodations due to a disability must register with the Students with Disabilities Services Office and request a test accommodation in the Smart Lab test reservation system. For more information, please call 813-974-1204 or email smartlab@usf.edu.